Now, before we solve this question, I need you to understand something. Now, plus and minus, they are like cousins. So we can always solve them together. While multiplication and division also are like cousins, and so we can solve them together. But when we have addition and multiplication, or addition and division, or if we have subtraction and multiplication, or subtraction and division, now we have to apply what we call BODMAS. We are going to come to this in a subsequent video, but I just want you to know that whenever you have addition and subtraction, they are like cousins, so you can solve them together. Does that make sense? Now, if you look at this question, we have addition and subtraction, so we can solve it together without bothering of thinking about BODMAS. Does that make sense? Now let's solve this question. So we have 5 over 3 plus 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. Now what I will just do is to find the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 3, 4 and 2. So we can have 3, 4 and 2. 2 cannot go in 3, so I write 3. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 cannot go in 3, I write 3. 2 in 2 is 1. Then 3 in 3 is 1, 1, 1. So we have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the LCM is 12. Now the next step is LCM divided by denominator times numerator. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So we have 20 plus 9 minus 6. 20 plus 9 is 29. 29 minus 6 is 23. So we have 23 over 12. And we can decide to turn this to mixed fraction. That will be or 12 in 23 will be one whole number, 11 over 12. And this is our answer. Do you understand? Let's take another question. So in this case also we have minus and plus. So we just solve. So we have 7 whole number 1 over 3 minus 3 whole number 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Now remember, the first thing to do is to turn this mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we have 3 times 7 is 21. 21 plus 1 is 22 over 3. Minus 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13 over 4. Plus 3 over 8. Next step is to find the LCM of the denominator. So we have 3, 4 and 8. 2. 2 cannot go in 3, so we write 3. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 8 is 4. 2. 2 cannot go in 3, we write 3. 2 in 2 is 1. 2 in 4 is 2. 2 cannot go in 3, we write 3. 2 in 2 is 1. 3 in 3 is 1. And then we have 1, 1. So our LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So the LCM is 24. Next step is LCM divided by denominator times numerator. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 8 times 22. 8 times 2 is 16. 6 carry 1. 8 times 2 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. So we have 176 minus 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 times 13. We have 6 times 3 is 18. 8 carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So we have 78 plus 24 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 176 minus 78 plus 9. So let's do 176 minus 78. 6 minus 8 is impossible. We borrow 1 from here. This remains 6. We bring it here 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 minus 7 is impossible. We borrow 1 from here. We put it here. 16 minus 7 is 9. So our answer is 98 plus 9. 98 plus 9. 8 plus 9 will give us 17. 7 carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 100. So we have 107 over 24. We can decide to turn this to mixed fraction. So we are going to ask ourselves 24 and 107. So let's try 24 times 4 4 times 4 is 16, 6 carry 1, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we'll do 107 minus 96. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then we have 10 minus 9 will give us 1. So it means that our answer is 4 whole number 11 over 24. I hope you understand.